Another prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to pass. No be small thing o. You remember the time wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell the Yorubas say the more they try to do evil against Ndi Igbo, he say that the Fulani go dey busy to collect their land, and the thing don dey happen as we dey talk now. Yorubas are looking for a solution to fight Fulanis inside their forest, and this forest has been taken. Even some forests for inside east, they don even collect them. But this prophecy go to Yoruba people and it don't come to pass. I go play the video for you. Hello my wonderful people. Do you know that the same Yorubas that are shouting Emilioko, oh Tunumbu Goru no Jagaban, they don't they cry. Even some of them they come outside now come they disown for internet. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take the happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If it's not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring updates back to back. Only thing wey you go do for us now to share the video. Share once you watch the video, you share them immediately so that other people go get information of wetin dey happen. Remember say this channel we dey here, they bring update anywhere where you come from. We no dey here to stand for anybody, but we dey bring update, they give out to the so that you go feel know wetin dey go on for your area. Remember say information na be the key. So if you get any glorious against this channel, I beg me throw one, because we dey here they bring only updates. That's what they give. Okay my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give this prophecy to Yorubas and tell them that they
Fulani are now saying that Yoruba forest is now their irreversible homes. They have now occupied Yoruba land in perpetuity. And I want to let my Yoruba friends understand this. You see, in life, anytime you support evil, evil will come back to haunt you. All of you never knew that IPOB and this Biafra movement was for your liberation. Some of you saw maybe the oil and gas from Biafra land. If they go now, we'll have access to oil and gas. In the process of having your eyes fixated on oil and gas, your forest is gone. Do you understand it? There is nothing more precious in life than freedom. Freedom is very important. And I need you to understand this very morning. Every Yoruba person supporting Fulani, you are setting up yourself to become like the Hausa people. Remember when Hausa was supporting Fulani? We are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Where are the Hausa people today? I ask you. Where are those Hausa people today? Do you see them anymore? They're saying we are Hausa Fulani, we are Hausa Fulani. Do you see them again today? Do you see them? I'm asking you. No, because Fulani have completely overwhelmed them. It's called emasculation. Completely emasculated them. Look at what they're doing in the East. In the East, they come to the East, they will tell you, oh, you want to be the president or vice? Yeah. They say, give us land for Ruga. They give them land. I saw Joseph Kanu did that law, Banta. They've taken it over in forever and ever. Give us land in your state. Hope of them prove to us that you are our stood. Give us land in Olu. Hope of them will give them land in Olu. We can go and kill people in Obibo. We can kill for them. How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits? I didn't say normal people. I'm talking about armed, dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors? Go and read your newspapers, you will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer a misery. But they come down to the south, they tell you, give us land for Ruga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you're one Nigerian. That was why Obioso was talking rubbish, was talking yesterday or 2 days ago. Supported by the BBC. The problem you people have in Nigeria is this. Your journalists, you see people, Punch newspaper, Tribune, Vanguard, and Nation, they are your second worst enemies. I'm telling you the truth. They can never, ever be objective in their reportage. Never, ever, ever. That's why all of you are suffering. But you don't know it. They were the same people used to scuttle the NSAS protest. Of course, some of you went about looking for Indomie in warehouses. Typical black people. Any revolution that is coming now, you must stand very firm. They'll say, oh, you're Igbo. Oh, you're Yoruba. Oh, you are from Europe. Don't join them. It's our turn in 2023. If you do this, you will scuttle our chances of becoming the president in 2023. Ask yourself, all of them that have been president from time immemorial, what benefit has it brought to you as a human being? Absolutely nothing. Look at them now. How they have now descended.
We have been saying it here over and over. No be smart, you know, say you don't see them. I tell you people that Yorubas, the mistake that you people have made is to call Igbos your enemies because they are not one. Somebody who come to your house and call you and tell you, please, I want to do my business here and I need a portion of land and I will pay for it. You sold the land. You give the person the document and the person settle down, starts doing business, paying tax, contributing to the community. And somebody will sneak to your backyard, take your farmland, settle there with cows. He didn't even put a good structure there. He start building house with stick, covering it with leaf, and living there. You will come outside to talk. He now cut off one of your children, any of them. You just chop off their hand. And your fowl will pass there. They will not chop the fowl. He have his own cow there. And when you talk, he asks you to shut up. And somebody who come to you and buy your property and build house, start doing his business, who is the enemy there? This is the question that I have for Yoruba people. For those of you who have become so stupid that you don't differentiate your enemy with somebody who come to invest in your home, who contributed 80% to the development of your land. Now, the people that you are calling your enemy are not your enemy. Your real enemy is there taking over your forest. Mazi and the Kanu warned you people, but you people refuse to understand this thing. You people refuse. If they give you people president, be this one, that one. Since Tinubu become president, Yoruba nation, nobody hear their voice again. Nobody hear their voice again because Tinubu is now president. Now Yorubas are still crying. They have regretted supporting Tinubu at the first place because Tinubu have nothing to offer because he is the president working, but he's not the one controlling. The Fulanis are ruining Nigeria with the Britain. My people, share this video. Okay, let us watch this particular video coming from Yoruba man as well. Hear this video. We don't hate Yoruba people. You understand? We, the Igbos, love Yoruba because if we don't love you people, but Yoruba do not invest in Igbo land. The Hausa has not invest in any part of Igbo land, but we come to invest in your own land with no fear. So who are more Nigeria when we come to talk of it? Who are more Nigeria when you come to Nigeria? Who are more Nigeria? Those who settle, build, stay with their family, live in your community, contributing to your community, than you who come to my land and stay in the bush. And we will ask them to come outside in the city and rent house and rent a place for your business. If you can buy, you buy, and they refuse and say that we'll take over our land by force. That is the genesis of Eastern Security Network, which is ESN. Today, this is how ESN come in place. And since then, they are very angry for Southeast because Southeast is no-go area for them. Let's watch this video. What this man have to tell Tinubu. Watch the video together with me.
I'm not happy with my president. I'm regretting for voting for my president and for voting for APC. Because this is not what we voted for. You know, we are not voting for, we not voted for suffering. We voted for peace, tranquility, and for to alleviate poverty. Let me tell you, if he and his planners are giving reduced fuel price, it will reach common man on the street rather than giving it to private sector who are already benefit. They are going to share this money, no doubt about it. What do we gain for the past 7 months we voted for President Tinubu in Milokan? I'm a Yoruba man. I regretted for voting for him because this is not what we bargained for. I'm also a retired director I'm telling you, a retired director collecting 75,000 naira at federal. You have 5 children or 4 children. How will you cope? Nothing for retirees. We are still suffering. They are telling us that we should manage. The vice president said we should pay our person for 10 years. So until all Nigerians die finish before they can resuscitate us. Let's call spade a spade. This government is not doing well. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shey don't hear am. He say Tinubu na him brother, and as him be now he don read. So na so he be. Yoruba, I hope say you people they see these videos and they see all these things where they happen. Igbos will never be your enemy, and you can never be like Igbos if you people refuse to learn. Yes, if you refuse to learn, you can never be like Igbos. Because when you come to Nigeria today, when you come to people who do Nigeria pass, Nnamdi Igbo, Igbo's tribe are the ones who do Nigeria pass. People from Southeast, Biafrans are the ones who do Nigeria pass. Because if they can come to your land knowing that you are working with the enemies and they're building in your own land, that means they are the ones who are doing the Nigeria pass. But however, it don't be say it don't be your foreigners go they go small as you people refuse to call a spare and let everybody carry chair go sit down for a mama place talk about the nation. Share this video. Thank you so much.